Hello. Fluty blue. It's a blue. It's a dog. It's a dog. It's a dog. It's a dog. It's a doggy dog. Goodness. Okay, I'm gonna go around here. So this is a sequel of my last video that I made like a little while ago.
Hello guys, we're back.
Oh my. It was like, hello guys, and we're back with another vlog. I hope that went really close to my face, because I can't see.
I just got my sister's hoverboard, mine died.
When she notices, she probably won't care actually. Are we gonna go the same way? Are we gonna go to the same way this time, or? Okay.
Dude, why are you standing in the middle of the road?
Blue! If we lose this dog, I swear. Maybe he doesn't like being on camera. Hello. Make this dog famous. If you like this video and subscribe.
Can you hold that? Yeah, I'll vlog for you. Can you get Blue?
Okay. Be careful though.
Okay, now hold him. Get him, quick.
Pick him up.
Yeah, pick him up. Just anyway, okay? He's fine with anyway. If you just pick him up quickly. Okay, now stop. Whoop!
This dog smells like dog.
I just found my dog running away, trying to run away.
Can you film me with this dog? He sneezed on my face.
No, over here. Pick him up. Boo! Boo! Pick him up in there. Pick him up like a baby. It's better. It's better when you pick him up like a baby, cause then.
Oh, my wrist is cramping right now.
Don't worry, I still got your vlog. See, I'm vlogging you.
Oh, the smell though. The smell.
Dude, I gave him a bath yesterday. I gave him a bath yesterday. What's wrong with you?
He's going crazy. Did I just hold him by the collar?
No, it chokes him.
Not like, oh no, not like this.
Blue! Blue! Blue!
He sneezed in my mouth. Oh, can I see my...
Blue! Wait, hold on. Oh, he's over there.
Oh, he sneezed in my mouth.
Hello. Wait, I'm gonna get you on the vlog.
He sneezed in my mouth.
She won't get in.
He sneezed in my mouth.
Okay, shut the door.
He sneezed
Shut
in
the
my
door. Let's go.
He sneezed
No,
in
up. Let's go here.
He sneezed in my flippin' mouth. I need to like get something to drink or something. That was nasty.
Okay, hold on.
Pure nast. Nasty with an eye.
Remy! Open the garage, please! Remy! Can you
Oh, we're opening the garage. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. It sneezed in my flippin' mouth. I can't believe it. I taste it now. It smells like turds. Wait, okay. He's getting the garage door while I'm out here in the wind and I have to scream. The garage, it's the garage. Probably can't
There's
see.
a fridge over there.
In the
There's a
garage.
fridge in there.
And then there's a fridge. Can you see me? Probably not. Can you see a thing? How can you see a thing in here? You can't see inside. My camera sucks. There's a fridge. I see the magic. Fridge, Alula. Fridge, Aluya. Fridge, Aluya. Fridge, Aluya. What? He's been sneezing?
Dude, can you get me a Gatorade or water?
Where's the Gatorades?
Well, just get me anything, like a soda or Topo.
There's only 2 Topos. I'll get you a Topo.
Okay. Wait, is there something called Live in there?
What?
Is there something called Live in there? Live.
Live.
Look.
Something called Live.
What?
I don't see anything.
Let me see. Oh, nope, there's no Live. Here. Do you want a Topo?
Sure.
Take the Topo.
Ooh, limited edition Topo Chico. This is not beer. We are too young for beer. Don't drink beer, kids, unless you're a middle-aged man watching this video. 2 things. 1, you're a pervert. And 2, you can drink. You're probably drinking beer, so.
Yeah, if you're a grown up, please stop drinking beer, because
It's
if you're
bad
grown
for
up
you.
watching this vlog, please stop drinking beer, because you're probably trying to die right now, and you're gonna show the kids a lesson. So don't.
I'm
drink
terrible
beer.
on those things. All I do is spin. How do you open these? We need like a bottle opener.
No, we don't. Look, I'm just gonna. Here, I'm gonna show you how to open
Oh.
them. I'm just gonna set
Did you
my
just
camera here.
bang them against the thing?
Dude, what's wrong with you?
Look at the beautiful sky.
Holy crap. Nothing's working.
Love you.
Here, come inside.
Regular, yeah.
Come inside with me.
Oh. Happy birthday. It's a happy birthday. Going inside. Ouch. Watch it, door. No one likes you. Where's the bottle? Why are you using a can opener? Oh, it's also a bottle opener. That makes so much sense.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Be right back.
Yeah.
Nub. I'm just joking. Ow.
Come on.
She's
let's
probably like upstairs or in
go. Dude, come on.
Remy's room.
Let's go.
Oh, I thought you said where's Aubrey? Topo. Doo-doo-doo. Okay, I'm going to continue my vlog. What was I thinking? I was like, I'm going to stop my vlog. I'm not going to. Actually, I am. See you people in the future. I'm really low battery on this thing. I shall see you when I shall see you.
Are you really low battery? Let me see.
Yeah. Wait. Look at that battery.
Where's the other one? Please.
Okay, goodbye, my peeps.